Hi guys, I'm Megha and welcome to Perky Makes, where I upload fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos twice every week. So today's video is about New Chic try on haul and review. As last time, New Chic sent me some items for review purpose to share it with you guys. So before we jump right into the try on haul video, let me tell you something about New Chic. It is an international shopping website where you can shop for different items. Regarding the packaging, all the items came in nice packed packages and none of the items was broken. Second point is that I was again charged customs of about INR 3000 on overall for all the items, and I think that is disappointing for me whenever I'm charged customs, because I don't like it. Anyone would not like to pay customs apart from shopping, so it makes the whole experience a little expensive. So that's the point on customs. And regarding the items, there are clothing items, mainly winter wear as sweaters, jackets and all. Then there are some home utility items and then some miscellaneous items. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, first of all, let me show you the clothing items. So mainly they are all winter wear, sweaters and jackets. So first one is this beautiful duster pink kind of a colored sweater, and this is so cute. It has these kind of pockets like yellow pocket, orange pocket, and it has this beautiful cute owl print on the elbow, which I really loved. It is there on both the sides. So I really love the color and the pattern, and it has overall this colored dots overall. And in my last video on Hindi channel, the New Year shopping haul, I was wearing this sweater and a lot of you asked me that from where have you got it. So this is from New Chic. Also, all the links will be given in the description box below. The prices will be there on the screen, and also the size will be mentioned in the description box. So if you are interested, you can surely check it out. Okay, next sweater is again a owl print sweater. Now don't judge me, I really find these kind of items cute and that's why I ordered. So this is another mustard color sweater with the owl, two owl prints at the front, and this one is little less warmer than the rose pink one. I feel it will not be very warm in extreme cold climate, but for like moderately cold it is fine. And overall I really love this. At the bottom it is like high-low pattern. It is high from the front and low from the back, and at the back it is like completely plain. This sweater is tight to me, so I think I should have ordered a size larger. Now guys, the next sweater is this sweater. This is kind of a high-low at the bottom, so it is like high at the front and little low at the bottom, and it has these 4 cats print on it, and it's written all you need are cats, I think. It's not clear, but it says this, and I really like this sweater. This is little more warmer than the mustard one, and overall it fits me really well, so I really like this one. Now guys, the next sweater I ordered just for the style, especially for my videos. Otherwise I don't think I would have picked it. It is kind of an off-shoulder sweater, and if it's really cold you cannot wear it alone, so you have to wear some high neck sweater inside and then wear this. Otherwise, just for style, this is really good. So it is this sweater. It is off shoulder and it is a pure white color. I wanted a pure white color off shoulder or normal sweater from a long time, so I really like this. This is very light. This is not warm at all, so this will not this is not suitable for cold climate at all if you wear it alone, but you can wear it along with a jacket or a high neck skiwi inside, and there you go. So I really like it for the videos. I wore it in my New Year update video, and a lot of you asked me from where is this sweater. So this is from New Chic. Now the next sweater is kind of a graphic print kind of a sweater. It is a long sweater again, and it looks like this. It is really long, and I love to wear this one with the my skinny jeans with boots. It looks really nice, and overall the fit of this is, I think the fit of this is best among all, because it hugs me really well and doesn't look like too tight or too loose. So I really like this, and I love these kind of geometric designs in tops and sweaters. It looks really smart. So overall I really like this sweater. So guys, the last woolen item is this jacket, which is kind of a copy of Chanel. I think I've seen it somewhere, and it looks like this. And this is really smart. It hugs me really well. You can wear this kind of a jacket with the dress, with top, jeans top, or with sari, with anything. It looks really nice. So I really love this jacket. So I will surely treasure it for special occasions. Okay, so next I ordered a jacket for my husband, and it looks like this. This is, you know, those kind of fugu jackets which look like when you go for swimming, those kind of a jackets. It looks like that. If you look at it, it looks really smart, but it is not that warm. I think inside the material is not very good quality. The material in between looks like synthetic cotton, so or synthetic something. It's not very warm, because I have these kind of jackets, and I know if this is like really those good quality. They are really, first of all, they are really heavy, and this is extremely light. So this is not very good quality. This is okay, just for, you know, style marne ke liye, it's fine. Overall look acha hai, but quality is not very great. So guys, these were all the clothing items. Next I ordered some home decorative stuff and something for my shoots and all. So first thing is this pineapple kind of a decorative stuff, which I ordered to keep on my, you know, this ladder shelf and all. So it will look really nice. It has battery at the back, so you have to insert a battery. Battery doesn't come with this one, and then you just switch it on and it gets lighten up, and then you switch it off. So it looks like that. I think it's really cute. Okay, next I ordered 2 pair of Christmas lights. The one 10-meter Christmas lights, the one is which I have placed at my back. It's not visible much, but I have placed it. So out of the two, one is not working at all. So one is defective, which is kind of a disappointing. Next I ordered some cushion covers. Since I have moved into a new house, I'm still in the process of decorating it and doing the interior. So I am investing a lot these days on the home interior items also. So I thought to try out some home utility and home section from New Chic. So first one is this cushion which says drink tea and read books. So it says drink tea and read books. I really liked it, but I don't have a cushion of this size, so I think I'll have to buy a cushion of this size, but I really liked it. Okay, next I ordered 6 cushions of this geometric pattern. It looks like this. It looks like this. Since I have a turquoise sofa set in my living area, so I wanted these kind of a striped cushion covers, and I really liked it. Again, I don't have cushion of this size. These are 18 inch by 18 inch, so I have to get cushions of this size, but these are really good. I ordered 6 of these. Sorry, I ordered 4 of these. Last but not the least is a very cute item. I ordered a footstool, and it looks like this. So this is the footstool, and actually my sofas are at a good height. So I wanted a footstool where I can rest my foot. It's really convenient to use. I saw it on New Chic and I really liked it. The problem is I was charged, on this item I was charged customs about the price for which this came. So it costed double, which is a disappointment, because otherwise the price was like really good, but with customs it is double charge. But overall the quality of this cushion is good. I would say it's good, it's comfortable, and I'm using it non-stop once it has arrived. So guys, this is all about new chic try on haul and review. I hope you all liked it. Let me know which of the item was your favorite. Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's see how many likes this video gets. Can we get 10,000 likes on this video? Let's see if you press that like button. And subscribe to Perky Makes for all such interesting videos twice every week. Also, for all my quick updates, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Perky Makes. Meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.